Hey, just a quick bit of info. If you're swapping your F80 seatbelts into your E90 retractors, it's actually very easy. If you hold them upright, completely upright, you can get the seatbelt to pull out. And all you do is work it out of the channel. Some tools. And then you slide the pin out. Then you can pull the belt through. And then you'll feed it into the retractor after you've done the same thing here. And then you just reinstall the pin, and that's really it. It's actually quite easy. Just make sure you orient everything in the same exact direction as far as the buckles and stuff.